Hi there, and welcome to day 5 of of my walking challenge and Twitter growth strategies. Talked a bit about the Twitter sphere when I was in the Pueblo yesterday. The first thing you need to do, is make sure that your bio is good. I'm still working on mine. You won't necessarily get it right the first time, and I've actually changed it for while I'm doing this tour to give a flavour of what I'm doing. As I say, engagement we talked about. When you're making comments with people, make sure that they're not just, awesome or yeah or something like that. Make an intelligent comment. If you can't make a little contribution, then really it's maybe not the tweet for you. Move on to another one. Find 5 or 10 people that you want to engage with. Some can be bigger accounts, but they won't always react to you. The person who's going to help you the most is the one that's just a little bit above you. So I'm sitting on about 550 followers at the moment. Obviously I want to reach more people, and so the strategies that we're talking about is like tweeting 2 or 3. Make sure you do quality tweets. 2 or 3 times a day is sufficient. If you start doing more than that, you probably end up making rubbishy tweets, basically. So it's as simple as that. And then keeping an eye on your analytics. Of course, you can use most people use some form of automatic tweeter. So I use Tweet Hunter, which is an excellent program. Hype Fury I hear good things about. Hootsuite I think is another one you can use. But so you can not put too much pressure on yourself, and keep your tweets consistent. Okay, so just concentrate on your bio, your communication, your regularity, and making your tweets automated. Okay, that's pretty well it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me.